Walk up tight through your hips, dragging your body into the day. That's not just fatigue. It's stored tension from how you moved or didn't move yesterday. Let's break that pattern before it breaks your rhythm. Let's hit the mat. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge. Inhale, reach both arms up. Exhale, press the hips gently forward. Flow gently back and forth with the breath. Your hips are the gateway to energy flow. When they're tight, the rest of your day feels heavy. I promise this stretch reopens the hip flexor, restores postural alignment, and creates space through the front body. Beginners, keep your hands on your thigh for support. Advanced stretches, add a side bend to the left or pulse deeper into the lunge. Did you know prolonged sitting shortens your hip flexors and drains your glute power? Hold for 5 more seconds. Breathe into the stretch. That just released the front. Now let's switch the side. Step your left foot forward. This side might feel different, and that's exactly why we isolate. Tightness here is often where lower back pain starts. Loosening it can change your whole day. I promise, releasing this tension improves pelvic control, core engagement, and even breathing efficiency. Beginners, stay upright and stay still. Advanced stretches flow with each breath, deepening slightly every time. Do you feel that deep release at the front of the hip? If not, shift your weight slightly forward and anchor through your back foot. Now that the front line is open, let's dig into the deeper layer. Slide your right knee forward, extend your left leg back, settle your hips toward the floor. Fold forward if it feels right. This isn't just a glute stretch, it's emotional release territory. I promise, this pose targets your deep rotators, especially piriformis, reducing hip pressure and calming your nervous system. Beginners, place a pillow under the right hip. Advanced stretches, reach the arms long and fold deeper. Forehead to the mat. What this releases now will reinforce with control in just a moment. Stay in it. Can you soften your jaw and breathe into your lower back? Hold 5 more seconds. That just unlocked your right hip. Let's balance the system. Now bring your left knee forward. Right leg extends behind. Every hip tells a story. This side might be tighter, and that's the truth we stretch into. I promise, this pose realigns your pelvis, improves your hip symmetry, and lays the foundation for deep core connection. Beginners, stay tall with hands under shoulders. Advanced stretches, walk hands forward and surrender into stillness. Are you avoiding the stretch or breathing through it? Stay for 5 more seconds. That just opened your hips. Now let's activate the system that holds them together. Back to all fours, brace your core, extend your right arm and left leg. Hold, return. Switch sides after 30 seconds. Move slowly, stay balanced, breathe. This is where we go from flexibility to functional control. I promise, this move teaches your core to stabilize your spine and hips in real time. It's strength without strain. Beginners, tap hand and foot between reps. Advanced stretches, hold each rep for 3 seconds with 0 movement in your hips. Can you stay completely still through your midsection for 10 reps? Last one. Lock in your line, breathe. That just sealed the flow. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. It's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with the full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and most importantly, God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.